Hi, it's a tutorial on paper templates and how to create them, and then how you can use them. I saw this kind of configuration on bullet journal group in a paper bullet journal, but figured it would be a good example of what you can do and how relatively easy it is to produce something that's reusable in ZoomNotes. So it's 6 rectangles, some brush strokes for the days of the week, and a little emblem flower, which is just brush strokes with a bit of watercolour around them. I did one and then copy and pasted it and perhaps rotated a bit. No, not even. So that's something you might reuse just by putting the day's date in the top corner, something like that, once you've got it in. So to make a paper template, Pages Manager, press the edit button, tap on the page you want to create a template for, to paper, ask if you want to do it, yes. Okay, done. So let's see what that's done. So I'll go back to this first page. I can go to the Tools menu and just scroll down a bit, Sub-Documents, Insert Paper Template, that one. Okay, this one it's just created. And what that's done is put it on the page so you can select it and resize it, just like you would anything else in ZoomNotes. But then when we zoom in, okay, it's not an image, it's actually PDF data, so that's vector based. So it works really well in ZoomNotes. It's takes up a small amount of storage in the document, and you get great results. Now, it's grabbed the paper texture as part of the process. Now, I'll show you how to do it so it doesn't do that. And it's really very easy as well. So I'm going to go back to the Layers menu and just turn down the background opacity. And that's basically hides the background paper rectangle and makes it completely transparent, so that when I go to the Pages Manager, say Edit, tap on that one, that's one I want to make into a paper template, to paper, yes. Okay, done. Go back to this page, turn up the background opacity because that gives us the contrast. Go back and insert it again. There we go. So this time we can see the original white one. There's a grey one because it's got no background anymore. Here it is. And as you can see, it's transparent, and you see the underlying paper showing through. So both are useful in their own rights. Just depends what you're doing. You can scale these and rotate them. Good, thank you.